Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Happier Humans. In this episode, we are giving you 7 easy steps to start meditating today. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Find a comfortable chair and ensure that your back is well supported. Give yourself a time period of 5 to 10 minutes to start with. You can always expand that period as you become more proficient. Step 2. Decide on the subject of your meditation. Suggestions: a time or place that you had fun. A time in the future where your problems no longer exist. Visualize how you would like things to be in your life. Step 3. Start with some simple breathing exercises. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Allow your jaw to relax, and use your tongue to stop your breathing from the mouth. Breathe into the count of 4 and out to the count of 8. After a few breaths, increase this slowly to about 7 for the in-breath and 14 for the out-breath. Notice the breath leaving feels heavy and dark, but the breath entering feels crisp and clear. Now you are breathing in peace and relaxation and exhaling out the stress and tension. Step 4. Imagine your safe place. This is your place to work in and from. The important thing is to paint the picture in your mind as vividly as possible. The more detail you bring in, the more you can immerse yourself into this alternative reality. Bring into your picture the sunshine warming your skin, a light refreshing breeze caressing you. Step 5. Affirmations. You are now in a place of your choosing and relaxed enough for your mind to begin listening to you, so tell yourself, I am in my safe place, here I can be confident and happy in my oasis. Repeat your affirmations as you walk around your safe place. Step 6. Find a place in your oasis to sit and relax. Now think about whatever is on your mind at this time. Then imagine going forward in time to a time when all those issues are in the past and see yourself happy and content. It might be a future holiday, whatever it is, see yourself exactly as you would wish to be, and really enjoying yourself. Step 7. Now it is time to return and bring back all the great feeling from your time in your oasis. Come back to the breath and reorientate yourself. Look at the time, so that you can make adjustments next time you meditate. After a few meditations, you will be able to tell yourself how long you wish to meditate. Most important, make this a time of enjoyment. Have fun. You are now ready to start practicing meditation. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information useful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.